In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Firestore for your project. So first of all, go to firebase.google.com. Now log into your account and go to console. After that, choose a project. I have already made this project and I have already an application in this project. So I am going to add a new application. So click add app, web, and now my application name, register app. Now this is my Firestore database credentials. So let's copy this and continue to console. Now select your app, Firebase CRUD, settings, sorry, yeah, this is my app Firebase CRUD and this is all the credentials. So first of all, let's copy this script tag and open VS Code. Open a folder. Let's open my folder. Now here I have already created a template for basic CRUD. Let me show you. This template. I have already created this template for basic CRUD applications. So I will provide the link in the description. Now copy this script tag and add a JavaScript file here named as firebase.js and paste it here. Remove the script tag from bottom and the from top and remove this import line. Just copy this URL, copy it and then remove. Now make sure that this line would be written correctly, like firebase.initialize app, firebase config, and here make a variable of firestore. Now in the index.html file, include the Firebase link, the link which we copied from here, paste it here, and now change the version to 7.15.5 and copy this link 2 times. Make it Firestore and the another one make it Firebase, or you can make it auth if you want to use Firebase auth. Now we have linked the Firebase CDN link with our index.html file, and we have our Firebase credentials here. Now we have to write all the code of Firebase here. I have used the jQuery. You can see here jQuery 3.5.1. So this is the setup of our Firebase project, and for more crude operations, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.